friends, and welcome to the channel. In today's episode, we're diving into something really exciting, an unboxing and review of these mini toolboxes. Now, I've got high hopes for their cool factor, and I'm eager to see if the quality lives up to the anticipation. Now, if you're new here, a big welcome to you, and thanks for stopping by. If you enjoy the content, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your support means a lot. As always, feel free to engage with me in the comments and share this with fellow enthusiasts. Before we jump into the unboxing, I want to take a moment and remind you to check out my online shop. There you can find a variety of scale model themed merchandise designed by yours truly, a fellow scale model builder. It's a great way to support the hobby and showcase your passion for scale models. Now that we've covered all that, let's get right into it. Now, as a scale model builder and a gearhead, the first thing that caught my eye about these mini toolboxes was that they resembled scaled down versions of the actual toolboxes you'd find in the shops and garages of mechanics and car enthusiasts. So naturally, I believe they would fit right in on the workbench next to the model cars and trucks I'm building. While they may be small, most of us have an abundance of tiny tools, making these mini toolboxes potentially very practical. Now, these are manufactured by a Chinese company called P.I.T., and I'd like to thank them for sending these boxes into the channel for review. They're available through their Amazon store, and if you're interested in getting a set for yourself, you can scan the QR code on the screen or find a link to their Amazon store in the description below. Full disclosure, I did receive these for free, but that won't influence my review in any way. As always, I'll provide an honest assessment covering both pros and cons. Now, let's dive into the unboxing and take a closer look at these mini toolboxes from P.I.T. Okay, so first impressions, not bad actually. They're very substantial. I mean, there's a good weight to both of these. Let's start off with the small one. So this one has, I'll go into the dimensions in a moment, but right here we've got kind of a lid that pops open here. And there's little magnets right here that kind of secure it down below. And then to open it up, you just pull up, the magnets release, and the box opens up. It comes with 4 rubber feet, and those are going to go down here. And then, I love this, they've got rubber matting inside the box for the top and the drawers, just like their full-scale counterparts. The drawers are small, and there's another pad in there. Next drawer. So the drawers feel a little tight to open. Uh-oh. It's like we're missing one of the pads. Okay, so we got shorted a pad, no big deal. But yeah, the drawers maybe could use maybe just a little bit of lubrication, or they just need to be worked in and out a little bit. Alright, so the powder coating on the toolbox is very smooth, very nicely done. We've got rivets, decent hinge along the back. We've got these metal rails that go along the outside to give it some strength. The top opens up really nice, stays open. Okay, yeah. The drawers are already getting a little easier to open and close now that I've done that a few times. Alright, so that's pretty cool. Now, according to the company, these are made of Q235 steel, and in my opinion, they're really solidly built. And I really love this blue powder coating. And speaking of the powder coating, these are available in 6 different color options. They come in red, black, green, pink, and of course the color I opted for, this really nice blue. Alright, so now we can get into the dimensions of the box. This smaller 3-drawer box has a dimension of 4.6 inches deep, 8.6 inches wide, and 4.8 inches high. And at the time of this recording, they are available on Amazon for $43.69. All right, now let's take a look at the 5-drawer unit. 5-drawer unit comes with a kind of a vinyl stuck-on pad for the top. And these are designed to stick up like this, so they're stacked, just like a regular toolbox, mechanics toolbox would be, and that does work out very nice, although it's kind of high. This one, same nice powder coating, same build quality. The build looks really good. Okay, this one also comes with feet that we can attach later. This one, padding on the top drawer, padding for that drawer, more padding. Now these drawers actually feel a lot easier to open and close. You can tell already. All right, they have their nice little logo attached to the box there. So no real sharp edges. The edges right here on these corners are a little sharp, but not bad. All right. So now let's get to the dimensions of this box. This guy comes in at 4.6 inches deep by 8.6 inches wide, the same dimensions as this box. But this one is 7.9 inches high, almost 8 inches tall. And at the time of recording, this one was available on Amazon for $52.29. So again, first impressions, I'm pretty happy with them. They're pretty much what I kind of anticipated. And I'm pretty sure that you can get these, or at least this small one, with a complete tool set built inside of it. It's a little more money, and I don't know anything about the quality of the tools, but I have seen some other reviews where people have purchased these with tools already in them. So that might be something you'd be interested to check out as well. So now, just to add some scale to all of this, I'm going to change up my recording area a bit and actually place some of my own more commonly used scale model tools and supplies in these boxes to get a real idea of how these will work on my bench and possibly yours too. So give me a moment, and through the magic of video editing, we'll be right back. And just like that, we are back, and I've actually cleared off a section of my workbench, and I've moved some things around, and I've placed the toolboxes here within reach, so you can see up top on this one is a good place. I've put all my glues sitting on top there. We've got my files and stuff in this drawer. I've got my putties in this drawer. All my tweezers actually fit in one drawer. That was kind of nice. My paint sticks, for putting parts on for painting. Down here I've got all my sanding sticks. On this side I've got my nippers on the top. This drawer here I've got my X-Acto knives and my saw. Oops, this drawer here. Now, I thought this drawer was really bad and sticking, but it actually wasn't. And if you remember, I said I was missing one of the pads. Well, the actual missing pad was underneath, caught between the two drawers, and that's what was causing it to be so hard to open and close. So they did include all of the pads. I wasn't missing anything, and this drawer works a lot better now. Down here, I've got my other paint sticks with my alligator clips on them. And those just fit right in there. And when I'm done, I simply just close that up. So there you have it, folks. A couple of nice looking, well-made, functional, and useful toolboxes from P.I.T. Yes, they are small, but considering most of the tools we use in this hobby are also on the smaller side, I believe these can easily find a spot on virtually any hobby workbench. Plus, with their compact size, they won't take up too much of the valuable space on your workbench. So if you're interested in grabbing one or both of these for yourself, you'll find the link in the description below, along with a scannable QR code on the screen that takes you directly to P.I.T's Amazon store. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments, or if you already have one of these, I'd love to hear how you use them. Well, friends, that'll wrap up this episode. So until next time, thanks for tuning in, stay safe out there, and go build something.